Come test drive the 2025 Suburban. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote start, sunroof, 4-wheel drive, fog lamps, Inside you'll find adaptive cruise control, keyless start, console, floor mats. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.